Welcome back. You may have to create graphical images and effects for your promotions. You can use one or two platforms that are free to access for that purpose. One is called Adobe Express, and if you go to your favorite search engine and you look for Adobe Express, you will be able to get access to the platform. If you already have an Adobe account, some aspects of the platform will be considered premium and you'll have access to them. But if you don't have access to an Adobe account, you will still be able to use most of the features available in Adobe Express. And what you'll do is you'll pick the template for the graphics that you want to create. If you have to create an effect at a custom size, you can create one from this area. What Adobe Express allows you to do is to pick a specific template. And once you have the template, you can click inside of the template and you can begin editing the content to fit what it is that you are trying to do. And once you have completed the redesign, you can just go to the download area and you can download the graphic that you created in the format that you want it. You can undertake the same process in Canva.com. And once again, Canva has a pro account and Canva has a free account. In many cases, whatever you are trying to accomplish, there is enough in the free account that will allow you to do it. You will choose a template, and then once you have made your edits, you can then download the content to your hard drive. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.